13th of January, 3 top Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists were eliminated by the army in a surgical encounter lasting only 3 hours and yielding no collateral damage or own casualty. Such high is the army's success rate here that local commanders tell us that the various terrorist outfits have been forced to collaborate with each other. These terror outfits which never even spoke to each other. These mine-protected vehicles bear the marks of that day when the 3 Jaish terrorists from Pakistan, including the divisional commander, opened fire on it from a cowshed in Doru. Had it not been for the bulletproof gypsies, we would have had several casualties. The gypsy was punished with 48 rounds of ammunition as the army was evacuating the civilians from the house. Entry into the cowshed was gained by ramming this gypsy into it. These apple orchards are now barren, but come April they will bear fruit and prove to be a godsend for terrorists in need of ready food, water and hiding places. The marketplace in Sopore is abuzz with activity. The days of curfews are long gone. The population today looks upon the army as its saviors. Just last week in Lulab, the army hit pay dirt when it eliminated 7 dreaded Pakistani terrorists from Lashkar-e-Toiba in a fierce encounter in these forests of Dardpora in Lulab. Operation Kakeda Nala was one of the biggest successes in recent times and happened on the mid-ridges of these high peaks of the Shamshabari range when a patrol party of 18 RR spotted the terrorists.
My soldiers and the commanders of the ground have again and again has proved their commitment to the national security and have exhibited the highest level of professionalism.
Last year, 38 terrorists were killed in encounters in the valley. This year, till February, 11 terrorists have been eliminated and 13 apprehended by the army.
This.
The army believes that it is going to be a busy year as Pakistan would try to push in more number of terrorists. The general elections this year will be followed by J&K assembly elections. Lulab is one of the most used entry points by the Pakistani terrorists to cross the LOC. They inevitably pass through Sopore to await further orders from their handlers in the ISI. Intelligence is hard to come by because the terrorists use Skype, Facebook and WhatsApp to communicate and have abandoned the use of mobile phones. And therefore, human intelligence is vital in counter-terror ops. In Sopore and Lulab, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.